Okay, yeah, I wanted to get a sample out of this tranny before, or this trans pan before I clean it all the way out. So I've gotten what I can get out of the bottom of the pan to put in as a sample right here. But yeah, this tranny has 800 miles on it since I was rebuilt the second time. This time it didn't have a check engine light, but the previous time it did. What ended up happening, so it's doing great, driving perfect for the 800 miles, and then I hit about 5 potholes all in a row on an exit getting off of the highway, and now it won't go into third gear anymore, and it kind of shudders a little bit. So notice this here in the bottom, when I drained the fluid, I realized that it was quite black, and just, it has kind of a burnt smell to this black stuff does have a burnt smell to it. The other fluid doesn't smell bad at all, just what I've drained out. But yeah, I just wanted to make a short video of what's in the bottom of this pan, pretty much. I mean, there wasn't really a lot of shavings on the plug when we pulled the plug and the magnet. And when we pulled the magnet out of it, it didn't have very much on it. There was no chunks or anything like that. All right, well, that's it.